I got this old can of paint here, and the lid doesn't want to stay on there anymore. Even when I hammer it down, it doesn't seem to want to stay on here, so I'm afraid I'm going to lose the rest of this paint here. I want to save this paint for touch-up, so I got these touch-up cups. It says they're rapid mixing, just shake and paint, and it says keep your paint fresh and ready for touch-up. So we're going to go ahead and try this out here. It was a 3-pack. We'll open it up and see what they look like. Alright, so it looks like they got a place to write down everything on here. And then it's got a little ball in there to help mix up your paint. And then it's got a screw-on lid, and it looks like there's a gasket in there to help keep a firm fit. So we just pour some of the paint in here, screw the lid down, and then when we need it, we can just shake it up. And then if this ends up drying out, I'll still have some good touch-up paint. So we're going to go ahead and try and save some of this paint in here. I'm going to go ahead and stir it up real good so the color's consistent here. Alright, we'll just put the lid on here. Got a nice tight seal, see if it leaks. I don't see any leaks, so that seems pretty good. Alright, we'll go ahead and mark it up and we'll see how long it lasts, but this looks like it's going to last pretty good. Compared to this one, I don't think this is going to last much longer.